Hello viewers, how are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, we do see the problem of emergency calls always occurring in Oppo. How to resolve that, we'll see in this video. See, now you can see it has directly how to resolve this. In order to resolve this, let me go to the settings. So when you click on the settings, you can see here you have to click on security. In the security, you have to come down where you can see emergency SOS. So emergency SOS is there, right? So emergency call service is always on. Click on that. Emergency call quick access. Press the power button 3 times in a row to make emergency call. What you have to do basically, auto call emergency service is there, right, in the basic features. You have to just switch it off. Now let's see, even if I click on power button now, it doesn't go directly. See, the emergency call services is switched off. So that's it for the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then guys, take care, have a great day. Bye bye.